Welcome. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Fatty liver disease is a condition in which fats builds up in the liver. There are two main types of fatty liver: non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and alcoholic fatty liver disease, also called as steatohepatosis. Fatty liver disease is a common condition caused by storage of extra fat in the liver. Most people have no symptoms and it does not cause serious problems for them. In some cases, though, it can lead to liver damage. Good news is that you can often prevent or even reverse fatty liver disease with lifestyle changes. A healthy liver contains a small amount of fat. It becomes a problem when the fat reaches to 5 to 10% of your liver's weight. Let us see some of the major causes of fatty liver disease. Side effects of medications: fat in the blood, diabetes, genetic inheritance, obesity, and rapid weight gain are some of the major causes of fatty liver. Let us see some of the major risk factors of fatty liver disease. Genetic inheritance, obesity, side effects of medications, rapid weight loss, fats in the blood, and diabetes are major risk factors of this disease. People with fatty liver disease often have no symptoms until the disease progresses to cirrhosis of the liver. If you have fatty liver, then you may have these following symptoms. First symptom that is often noticed is abdominal pain or feeling of fullness in the upper right side of the abdomen or belly. Extreme tiredness or mental confusion. Nausea, loss of appetite or weight loss. Enlarged blood vessels just beneath the skin surface. Yellowing of skin and eyes like jaundice. Red palms. Darker urine. These are some of the common symptoms observed. After knowing the symptoms, let us see if we can reverse this disease. The liver has an amazing ability to repair itself. If you avoid alcohol or lose weight, it's possible to reduce liver fat and inflammation and reverse early liver damage. Consider fatty liver disease an early warning sign to help you avoid a fatal liver condition like cirrhosis or liver cancer. Even if you don't have any symptoms or any liver function problems at this point, it's still important to take steps to stop or reverse fatty liver disease. If you have any such concerns, then don't forget to call your healthcare provider for diagnosis and treatment options.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.